Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we're having a little bit of fun. Our local village have put up a post on our Facebook group to say we are running a colouring competition for children. This is in aid of supporting the NHS and just having a bit of fun and obviously raising the spirits within the local community. Now, our village is very small. It's got like, if I say 30 houses, that's probably too much. So today, with a piece of paper, a pencil, a pen, and some colouring pencils, I'm going to dedicate this to the NHS. Let's get going. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to say I've trawled the internet to try and find some images that I wish to use, and I found a phenomenal artist called Iconic Garage. Now, Iconic Garage can be found on Instagram, and he's got loads of cool pictures he's done of minis. So I have used this image, and I wish to give full credit to that guy. So go over, check out his Instagram page at iconic_garage, and you'll be amazed by the stuff he does. I know he's done a little icon for Cole over at Classic Mini DIY, and his work is absolutely top notch. So yeah, check him out, and hopefully you don't mind me using this image. So let's get into it.
Look at mine!
Wow!
This one doesn't need any glue.
Whoa! You can do another one?
Yes. But I'm gonna do a different one in a minute.
that's my creation, and this is the little ones. So there's Clover's. And there's mine. Let's go get them stuck.
Let's go.
Right, that's the pictures in the community box, and that's this video finished. So a massive thank you, shout out to anyone that's a key worker working for the NHS and any other role that's supporting the running of the country. Just massive thanks. Yeah, if you have enjoyed the content, please click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. And while you're there as well, please go and check out on Instagram, iconic_garage. That's it from me. I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.